Today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to get live access on TikTok as a guest. You can frequently see a lot of people going on TikTok lives and they can accept people as guests on their TikTok live. To also be part of a TikTok live, you'll first need to request them to accept you as a guest on their TikTok live. So the first thing what you want to do is open up the live that you want to join, and on the bottom you'll see an option of multi-guest right here. You can tap on this option and the request of joining the TikTok live as a guest will be sent. And if the other person accepts your request, you will join their live as a guest on TikTok. Some accounts may and may not have the multi-guest option. As you can see, I've opened up a next live and this account or this live does not have the multi-guest option. So the option will depend upon if the person going live has allowed the multi-guest option or not. If they haven't allowed it, you won't be able to join them as a guest on TikTok. So that was the video on how to get live access on TikTok as a guest. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.